Good morning, Fundamentals of Investing. It's Mr. Fritsch once again with Lesson 2 in Precious Metals. So, this will be the video. It will be marked as video to watch number 2, Precious Metals Lesson 2. I've already uploaded the Word doc and the PDF file for the notes, the blank notes that you're going to use to fill in when we go over the key, which we're going to do right now. So, Precious Metals Lesson 2 key. All right, we talked about gold yesterday. Today we're going to talk about silver. Unlike gold, the price of silver swings between its perceived role as a store of value and its very tangible role as an industrial metal. For this reason, price fluctuations in the silver market are more volatile than gold. So silver is going to move up and down more than gold. All right, so while silver will trade roughly in line with gold as an item to be hoarded, investment demand, the industrial supply-demand equation for the metals exerts an equally strong influence on the price. What does this mean? It means it's going to be held as a metal like gold to fight inflation or in times of world upheaval. But there's also more of a demand for silver in the marketplace for industrial goods, and we're going to see in just a second. All right. So number one, silver's once prominent role in the photography industry has been replaced because we're using digital cameras now. So they no longer need the silver or in the cameras. Second, the rise of the vast middle class in the emerging market economies of the East, which created an explosive demand for electrical appliances, medical products, and other industrial items that require silver inputs. From bearings to electrical connections, silver properties made it a desired commodity. All right, so the demand from these third world countries that are becoming more developed, people are starting to have some income that they can use to buy stuff. They're buying stuff. They're buying appliances that use silver. They're buying medical devices that use silver in the production of them. All right, and then number three, so silver's increased use in batteries, superconductor applications, and microcircuit markets. So once again, there's a higher demand for silver recently than there was 30 years ago before computers and specialized batteries were invented. All right, so those are the three. The first one, silver's been replaced, and in the last two, the demand for silver has gone up because of us becoming more of an industrialized worldwide economy. All right, platinum, the last of the three major metals. Like gold and silver, platinum is traded around the clock on global commodity markets. Remember, a commodity is a raw material or primary agricultural product that can be bought and sold, such as copper and coffee or wheat or oil. There's many different commodities, all right? And metals are a commodity. All right, factors that determine the platinum's price include, like silver, platinum is considered an industrial metal. The greatest demand for platinum comes from automotive catalysts, which are used to reduce harmful emissions. All right. There is also jewelry that uses platinum in it, and petroleum and chemical refining catalysts and computer industry also uses up platinum. Number two, because the auto industry's heavy reliance on metal, platinum prices are determined in a large part by auto sales and production numbers. Clean air legislation could require automakers to install more catalytic converters, increasing the demand for platinum. All right. There is a substitute for platinum, and it's called palladium. Lastly, number three, platinum mines are heavily concentrated in only two countries, South Africa and Russia. This creates greater potential for cartel-like action, like OPEC does with oil prices. Right? OPEC gets together, and if they cut supply, the oil prices go up. And this cartel-like action creates a monopoly situation, a monopoly power for the two countries that have most of the platinum mines. And those two countries are South Africa and Russia, like I already mentioned. So is this good or bad if you're an investor in platinum? Well, if you own platinum and all of a sudden Russia and South Africa want the prices for platinum to go way up, what they do is they cut supply, and all of a sudden you've got a market where you've got a higher or equal demand but less supply, and the prices are going to go up. All right, so maybe if you invest in platinum, a monopoly is not a bad thing in your case. All right. All right. Please go back and open up Precious Metals Lesson 2 assignment. That's the only thing that you have to turn in, that worksheet. Precious Metals Lesson 2 assignment. I'm going to go in and change that name to keep it similar to the first one. So it's going to say Precious Metals Lesson 2 worksheet assignment. All right. I'm just going to change the name on it. And that's due, well, it's got to be done by this Friday at the latest. Once again, it's a simple project. All right. Thank you.